Hello, myself Ayush Shrivastava. Today I am going to present my art integration project of English on the topic of comparison between Sikkim and Delhi on the basis of demographic features and education. Demographic features of Delhi and Sikkim. Population of Delhi. After independence, 6th population census was undertaken in the entire area of NCT of Delhi between 9th February to 28th February 2001 with a revisional round from 1st to 5th March 2001. As such, the population of Delhi as on 1st March 2001 has been worked out at 30.85 million as against 9.42 million as on 1st March 1991. This reflects decennial growth of 47.02% of population after 1991 census. The corresponding percentage at all Indian level has been worked out at 21.34%. The total population of Delhi is 1.34% of all Indian population. Population of Sikkim. Total population of Sikkim was 6,10,577, of which male and female were 3,23,070 and 2,87,507 respectively. The population of Sikkim forms 0.05% of India in 2011. In 2001, the figure was 0.05%. As per projection, population of Sikkim in 2021 is 6,63,000. Area of NCT of Delhi. The total area of NCT of Delhi is 1483.5 square kilometer as per population census 1991. Its rural and urban composition is given below. Rural area 797.66 square kilometer, urban area 685.34 square kilometer. Total 1,483 square kilometer. During population census 2001, area of NCT Delhi has remained the same at the 1,483 square kilometer. Area of Sikkim. The total area of Sikkim is 7,096 square kilometer as per population census 1991. Its rural and urban composition is given below. Rural 6,386.4 square kilometer, urban 709.6 square kilometer, total 7,096 square kilometer. Annual average growth rate of population in Delhi. The annual average exponential growth rate of population of Delhi was the highest 6.42% during 1941-1951 due to the large scale migration from Pakistan to India after partition in 1947. The annual growth rate of population of Delhi during 1991-2001 has been recorded as 3.85%. At it is almost double the national average. Average growth rate of population of Sikkim. The total population growth in this decade was 12.89%, while in previous decade it was 32.98%. The annual growth rate of population of Sikkim during 2001 has been recorded as 1.22%. Sex ratio of Delhi. Sex ratio is very important demographic indicator for analyzing socio-economic features for population. It is the ratio of females per 1,000 males. As per 2011 census, the sex ratio of Delhi 868. During the last decade, the sex ratio in Delhi increased from 821 in 2001 to 868 in 2011. In order to overcome this critical situation, both at the national and state level, various stringent actions against female feticide and the complete abolition of sex determination practices during pregnancy period has been introduced and implemented. Sex ratio of Sikkim. Sex ratio in Sikkim is 890 for each 1,000 male, which is below national average of 940 as per census 2011. In 2001, the sex ratio of female was 875 per 1,000 males in Sikkim. Education of Delhi and Sikkim. Literacy rate of Delhi. As per census 2011, Delhi showed a high level of literacy is that 86% as compared to 81.67% in 2001, with the literacy rate of 90.9% for males and 80.8% for females. The rural and urban literacy rate of Delhi were 81.9 and 86.3% respectively. In 2011, Delhi data is updated yearly, averaging 73.615% from Delhi 1961 to 2011 with 6 observations. Literacy rate of Sikkim. Literacy rate in Sikkim has seen upward trend and is 81.42% as per 2011 population census. Of that, male literacy stands at 86.55%, while female literacy is at 75.61%. In actual numbers, total literates in Sikkim stands at 4,44,952, of which males were 2,51,269 and females were 1,93,683. List of institutions of higher education in Delhi. In Delhi, there are 5 central universities, 7 state universities and 13 deemed universities. The status of one institute, the National School of Drama, is unclear. Delhi also has an international university established by 8 member nations of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC).